Me, manners. Don't forget.
Mimi arrived at Grandma's house, her eyes sparkling. Yay, toys, she cheered, pulling out blocks, dolls, and a fuzzy teddy bear. Soon, colorful toys were all over the living room floor. Mimi played and played, building a tall tower, then having a tea party. When it was time for a yummy snack, Grandma gently smiled. Mimi Bug, look at all our sleepy toys on the floor. Mimi looked around. Wow, it was a big mess. She felt a little bit tired just thinking about cleaning it. But Grandma, she sighed softly, there are so many toys. Grandma knelt down and gave Mimi a hug. Let's make it a fun game. Can you help the blocks find their box? Mimi picked up one block, then another, putting them carefully away with Grandma's help. Soon, all the toys were tucked neatly into their homes. Look, Grandma, we did it. Mimi clapped her hands, feeling so proud and happy. Grandma gave her a big kiss. You're such a wonderful helper, Mimi. Thank you.